Hello students, welcome to my class. In today's class we are going to learn trigonometric identities and formulas of the chapter trigonometric functions of class 11. So before going into exercise 3.3 we have to learn lot of trigonometric formulas and identities. Now we will see one by one. So first one, how to find the values of trigonometric functions of any angle. So what is its meaning? How to find the values of trigonometric functions of any angles. Suppose if you want to find sine 300 degree or tan 135 degree or cosec 750 degree. Suppose if you want to find the values of the trigonometric functions of these angle, how will you find? So in class 10 you have already studied up to acute angle. You know all the values for 30 degree, 40 degree, 60, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. You know the values of trigonometric functions. The values of trigonometric functions of these angle, how to do? So we are going to see that. So the first one, if the angle, first you have to see the angle. If the angle is more than 360 degree, then you have to express the angle as an integral multiple of 2 pi. Okay, so if the angle is more than 360 degree, you have to express the angle as an integral multiple of 2 pi. Why we have to express an integral multiple of 2 pi? Because we have already studied the formula sin 2n pi plus x is equal to sin x and cos 2n pi plus x is equal to cos x. That is the integral multiple of, if the angle is integral multiple of 2 pi, the function will not change. This is true for all the trigonometric function. So if the angle is more than 360 degree, for example in this case here the angle is 750 degree. So 750 degree we can write as 2 into 360 plus 30 degree, that is 2 into 2 pi plus 30 degree. So you have to express the given angle as an integral multiple of 2 pi and an acute angle. So in this case, after expressing this angle in terms of integral multiple of 2 pi, then you have to use this formula for getting the answer. So second case, if the angle is less than 360 degree, so if the angle is less than 360 degree, then how to find the value? So if the angle is less than 360 degree, you have to express the angle in any one of the following way, that is pi by 2 minus plus or minus x, pi plus or minus x, 3 pi by 2 plus or minus x and 2 pi minus x. So if the angle is less than 360 degree, express the angle in terms of any one of this form. Okay, so after expressing the angle in like this, how to do? For example here 300, we have to find sine 300. So sine 300 we can write as sine 360 minus 60 degree. That is sine 360 is 2 pi. So 2 pi minus 60 degree. Here the angle is 60 degree. X is 60 degree. So we have expressed it in the form 2 pi minus x. So the second question, if you see is tan 135 degree. How to express tan 135 degree? Tan 90 plus 45 degree. So tan 90 plus 45 degree, that is we can write this as tan pi by 2 plus 45 degree. So if the angle is less than 360 degree, you can express the angle in any one of these forms. After expressing this, how to find the value? We'll consider the quadrant x, x dash, y, y dash. So here the angles which lie on x axis, for example what are the angles lie on x axis? 0, 2 pi, and here you will have pi. So what are the angles on y-axis? Pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. So for angles which lie on x-axis, the function will not change. For example, angles lie on x-axis, function will not change. Function will not change. And angles on y-axis, for angles on y-axis, the function will change. Function will change into its the function will change into its co-function. So for example, sin x will change into its co-function is cos x. Okay, we have to add a co. Then cos x will change into reverse. Cos x will change into sin x. Similarly, tan x will change into co-function. Its co-function is cot x, and cot x will change into tan x, and sec x will change into its co-function, that is cosec x. So this change will happen only on angles on y-axis. Only for angles on y-axis the function will change, and the change will be like this. Sin will change into cos, and cos will change into sin. Tan will change into cot, and cot will change into tan. Sec will change into cosec, and cosec will change into sec. So these are the changes. So out of these four way, here in pi by 2 plus or minus x and 3 pi by 2 plus or minus x, in these two cases the function will change into its co-function. And what about this pi plus or minus x and 2 pi plus or minus x? Here if you see, the angle pi and 2 pi lies on x-axis. So angles on x-axis, the function will not change. So sin will be sin, cos will be cos. So the trigonometric function will not change for these two expressions. If you express the angle in like this, pi plus or minus x or 2 pi minus x, the function will not change. If you have expressed in this form, then the function will change into its co-function. Now we will see how to find the value of these three questions. So the first question is sin 300. So here the angle is less than 360. So we have expressed the angle in terms of any one of forms which we have discussed. Now this 360 minus 60. Now you see here we got sin 2 pi minus 60 degree. 2 pi lies on x-axis. So the function will not change. So instead of this we can write sin 60 degree. And now the sine of this function. So sine of the trigonometric function according to the quadrant. We have already discussed the sine of trigonometric functions in the 4 quadrant. So you see here 300 lies in which quadrant? So here up to 270, 300 lies in 4th quadrant. In 4th quadrant, whether sine is positive or not, you have to check. In 4th quadrant, cos all silver teacups. So cos or sec will be positive. So cos x and sec x are positive. All other trigonometric ratios are negative. So what you have to give here? Minus sin 60. So what is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. So the answer for this angle, that is sin 300, is minus root 3 by 2. So this is how you have to find. Now the second question you see here, tan 90 plus 45. So we have expressed the angle as pi by 2 plus 45. So pi by 2, the angle lies on y-axis. I said y-axis, angles on y-axis, the function will change. So tan will change into cot 45. Tan will change into its co-function, that is cot 45. Now you have to find out this angle lies in which quadrant. 90 means this, up to 90 means this quadrant. 90 plus 45 means second quadrant. Second quadrant, sine function is positive. Sine and cosec x are positive. Other functions are negative. So here tan function is negative. So here we have to put a minus sign. So the answer is minus 1. Cot 45 is 1. So the answer is minus 1. Next one, cosec 750. So cosec 750 we can write as 2 into 360 plus 30 degree. So this we can write as cosec 2 into 2 pi, integral multiple of 2 pi plus 30 degree. So here we have already seen this will not change. The integral multiple of 2 pi means the function will not change because this angle lies on x-axis. So we can write cosec 30 degree, and you just check which quadrant this angle lies. 750 lies in which quadrant? See, if it completes one revolution, it is 360, one more revolution, it is 720, and now the angle is 750. So again it is coming in the first quadrant. First quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. So here the answer is plus cosec 30 degree. So what is the value of cosec 30 degree? Sin 30 degree, you know, this is 1 by sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So this 2 will go to numerator. So the answer is 2. So this is how you have to find the values of trigonometric functions of any angle. So two things you have to remember. If the angle lies on x-axis, the function will not change, and if the angle lies on y-axis, the function will change into its co-function, and according to the quadrant, the sign also you have to give. Okay, now we will see few example questions based on this concept here. So how to find the values of these we will see now. So question is sin 1125. So I already said if the angle is more than 360 degree, you express the angle as an integral multiple of 2 pi. So 1125. How can we write 1125? So 3 into 360. 3 into 360 is 0, 80 1080 plus 45. So this will 10, this 1125 we can express as 1080 plus 45. So we are going to express this 1125 as an integral multiple of 2 pi. So we can write this as 3 into 2 pi plus 45. Now if you see here, this integral multiple of 2 pi means the function will not change. So you will get sin 45 degree. So here 3 times of 2 pi. So you will see here, if one full revolution, if it completes, it completes 360 degree. One more revolution, if it completes, it will reach 720. Again one more revolution, if it completes 3 revolution, if it completes, you will get 1080 degree, and again plus 45. So where the angle will be? Angle will be in the first quadrant, and first quadrant, you know, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. So the answer for this is plus sin 45 you will get. You know that what is the value of sin 45? That is 1 by root 2. So the value of this angle is 1 by root 2. Sin of 1125 degree will be 1 by root 2. Now we will see the second question. Second question, you have here negative angle, that is cosec minus 1500. So how will you, first we will change this negative angle. So using the formula we have already studied, sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. So cosec of minus x will be minus cosec x. So the given negative angle we can write as minus cosec 1500 degree. Okay, now since the angle is more than 360 degree, you express 1500 as an integral multiple of 360. So how can we express 1500 as an integral multiple of 360? So 4 into 360. 4 into 360 is 1440 plus 1500 means 60 degree. Okay, so we can express this 1500 as 1440 plus 60. That is, we can express this as minus cosec 4 into 360 degree plus 60. Again see here we have expressed as multiple of integral multiple of 2 pi. So the function will not change. So we can write minus cosec 60 degree, and here also the angle is in the first quadrant, it completes 4 revolution and reaches the angle 60 degree in the first quadrant. So here the value sign of the all trigonometry functions are positive. So here we can write minus cosec 60 is plus only. So minus into minus of what you will get, minus 1 into cosec 60, that is 1 by sin 60. What is sin 60 value? Root 3 by 2. So we will, this 2 will go to numerator. So the answer is minus 2 by root 3. So this is how you have to find the value. Now the third question, tan minus 765. So this question we can write tan of, so what is tan of minus x? Tan of minus x is minus tan x. So tan minus 765 degree we can write as minus tan 765 degree. Again we will express the angle as an integral multiple of 2 pi, that is minus tan 2 into 360 plus 45 degree. Now if you see here, minus tan of integral multiple of 2 pi means the same function will not change, so we can write tan 45 degree. So what is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. So the answer is minus 1 because the angle lies in the first quadrant. The sign of the trigonometric function is positive. So the answer you will get as minus 1. So this is how you have to find the values of trigonometric functions of any angle. So in my next video we will learn few more trigonometric formulas and identities. If you like my channel, you can share and subscribe. Your subscription my motivation. Thank you students.